Hello, curious learners. I am Devan Ahmad Pramudia. Have you ever stopped to ponder the incredible mechanism behind our voice productions? Today, we're diving deep into this fascinating topic. At the core of our voice productions lies a remarkable system in our throat known as the larynx or voice box. Within this box, we find our vocal cords, which are two folds of tissue stretched across the larynx. When we speak or sing, these vocal cords come together and rapidly vibrate. It's these vibrations that set the foundations for the sounds waves we produce. But wait, there's more to the story. Air plays a pivotal role in this process. As we breathe out, the air from our lungs flows through the vibrating vocal cords. This airflow enhances the vibrations, amplifying the sound. Now, here's where it gets even more intriguing. The unique sound of our voice is also shaped by the intricate movement of our mouth, tongue, and throat. This part act as filters, modifying the sound waves into distinct sounds and tones. Have you ever seen a spectrogram? It's a visual representation of sound. For our voice, a spectrogram shows various frequencies and patterns, essentially creating a fingerprint of our voice. But the journey of sound doesn't end here. Our brain plays the final and most crucial role. It decodes the sound waves, translating them into words, emotions, and meanings that we can understand and interpret. In sense, our voice productions is a symphonic collaboration between vibrating vocal cords, the flow of air from our lungs, and the precise shaping of sounds by our mouth, tongue, and throat, all orchestrated and understood by our incredible brain. Well, thank you for watching on this deep dive into the world of voice productions. Next time you speak or sing, remember the amazing processes at work behind each sound. Stay curious, keep exploring, and until next time.